And now the news in detail. The Rajya Sabha was today adjourned for the day following protest over the issues of Manipur and atrocities against women in Rajasthan. The Lok Sabha also witnessed two adjournments on the issue of Manipur violence. In the Rajya Sabha, when the House reassembled after first adjournment at 12 noon, Treasury bench members again started sloganeering, demanding discussion on the atrocities against women in Rajasthan. Leader of the House, Piyush Goyal, said discussion should be taken up immediately on the Rajasthan issue under Rule 176. Leader of Opposition Mallika Kharge said opposition is demanding discussion on Manipur issue under Rule 267 by suspending all the business. Amid pandemonium, the House was adjourned for the day. Earlier, when the House reassembled for the day, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar disallowed the adjournment notice moved by opposition members on Manipur issue.